Welcome. Today we're diving into the latest update on how to open the search page on Instagram using your PC. If you're eager to explore new content or find specific accounts, follow these simple steps to enhance your Instagram experience. First, open Instagram in your preferred web browser. Simply type in the URL and log into your account if you haven't already. The web version of Instagram has become increasingly user-friendly, making it easier than ever to navigate through its features. Next, look for the search icon located on the left menu of your screen. This icon resembles a magnifying glass and is essential for accessing the search functionality. Clicking on this will take you directly to the search page where you can begin your exploration. Once you're on the search page, it's time to search for what you want. You can enter keywords, hashtags, or usernames in the search bar at the top of the page. Whether you're looking for specific posts, accounts, or trending topics, this feature allows you to find exactly what you're interested in. As you type, suggestions will appear beneath the search bar, helping you refine your search even further. With these steps completed, you're now ready to discover a world of content tailored to your interests. Whether it's finding new influencers to follow or exploring trending hashtags, the search page opens up endless possibilities on Instagram. This new update makes it easier than ever to connect with content that resonates with you. So go ahead and start searching. Happy exploring!